Hi guys, Big Bang Becca here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. As soon as I got my iPhone 12, as soon as it was delivered, I made sure to order some things off Amazon. They're getting delivered one at a time right now. And the first thing that to reach as an accessory for my iPhone is Spigen. These Spigen tempered glasses are very unique. What I loved about them is that you can install it by yourself and you get something called Easy Fit. So I thought I'll share this with you guys, and it's available at a very easy price on Amazon. It's around 1,299 currently. I don't know whether it's with offers or without offers. That's what I bought it at. The thing is, on the box it says 2,899. I don't think so. It has been that costly at any time. 5 months back when I saw for iPhone 11 as well, it was around the same price. So you can check this out. The link will be in the description below. Let's unbox this first and get started with the installation on the iPhone 12. The packaging is very good. So that's all. You pull this thread and you get whole lots of things. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. It helps you put the cover very easily and you get some alcohol wipes, and that's it. The box is empty. There's nothing else in this. So the best part about this is you get two sets of Ease Fits and two tempered glass. See, like this, and you can use them individually at one at a time. So they have given two, I guess, just in case if you screw up one, you'll have one more. And Spigen is termed to be one of the best when it comes to tempered glasses for iPhones, and a lot of people have been using them. Even my friends love this a lot. So let me see. I'll try installing one of them. And they have provided with the squeegee as well, just in case if there are air bubbles or something like that. You can just use this soft squeezy thing and make sure to remove the air bubbles. As you see here, because you have two glasses, you get two different screen wipes. You can use one at a time. And also you get dust removal stickers, just in case, let's say if you have something still left over after the alcohol wipe, you can use one of these. Stick and take out and make sure to remove all the dust as well. First of all, I'll clean with the soft cloth that they have given to make sure the screen is clean, and then I'll apply the alcohol wipe. So it's dripping in alcohol. So let's use this to make sure it's even more cleaner. Just make sure to apply it everywhere and make sure to remove all the dust, if any, and let it dry for a second. Alcohol will evaporate really fast. Even though Apple claims that it has 4x durability or something like that, I don't want to leave it to chance. Let me close this for a second here. And now, before I fit this on, as you see, it's very clean. This is the bottom part. I have to still remove the strap here to make sure the adhesive is there. Before that, let me see if it fits perfectly. Yes, as you see there, it sits like a phone case. That's what I told you. And it makes sure to, put the tempered glass in the right format. So in that way, it will be perfect. It's like some professional has put it across. So let us see. My first time. Okay. Nice. The adhesive is open now. Let me place this. Yep. So press it once, give a little pressure, and then just do as it says here. I'm done with doing this for 15 to 30 seconds. There is a bubble there. That's okay. I'll get the squeegee now. I'll use the squeegee to remove that. Make sure to remove it. As you see here, there's still a top part. As you see that the bubble just went off. And don't worry about this. The scratches is not on the tempered glass itself. It's on the glass which is on top of it. Alright. Now time for the truth. There are two tiny bubbles there. I'll make sure to remove that. So the one or two air bubbles which are there on these sides, I just used the squeegee and just pushed it out. I just went on the side to just sit on the bed and do it cleanly. So that was done. So as you see here, it's a perfect fit. See here, you'll not even be able to tell that it's there. So it's very nicely sitting with the flush of the bezels, and it's very good, looking very nice. Alright, so let us see if the Face ID works. Yes, as you saw there, and I've got a YouTube comment as well. Well, that's very good. As you see here, this is very nice and very professional. Yep, so in this DIY project, I am very proud of myself that I could fix a tempered glass so nicely using the Spigen Easy Fit. Why not try this? You know, the link is down in the description below. Go try it out. Wow, you know, the experience was really good. And it was very easy. Come on, hardly 5 to 10 minutes. If you get a air bubble, just remove it a little if you're worried. Remove the tempered glass little, place it back again and just use the squeezy and you'll be done. On my previous phone, which is OnePlus 3T, I did not even use a tempered glass. But with the 85,000 rupees investment, yeah, it's scary to be just walking around with a naked phone. For the past 2 days, I've been very happy using this phone. The squared off edges is so very nice to hold it in my hands. I love it, absolutely love it. Well, I hope you like this video. There's something new that I did. The tempered glass is very good. In the future, if anything happens to this, I'll let you know on Instagram. Please make sure to follow me on that. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you're an iPhone 12 user as well, go do this. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.